Hurricane Ian has already devastated Cuba, leaving the entire island nation without power. The country's electrical grid collapsing yesterday after the storm brought powerful winds and severe flooding to the western part of the island. State media also reporting that the failure of the grid is now affecting critical infrastructure. Ian slammed into the western tip of the island early yesterday as a Category 3 storm, devastating Pinar del Rio province. That's where most of the world-famous tobacco for the cigars is grown. Tens of thousands of people forced to flee. The storm caused flooding, damaged homes, toppled trees, but so far, the good news, no fatalities to report in Cuba.